What's it been like for you as the head of product strategy and marketing? Sort of kind of tread where no one has tread before, in terms of being pioneers. Is it a blessing and a curse? You go, okay, great, we're going to have this, going to create incredible value for the mining industry. How do you, as a head of product manager, strategy and marketing, go about achieving it?
Yeah, look, we started with a really good fundamental base. Our company has been around for a long time in this market space, and so we had a good base to start from. And we've also got some really good peers and colleagues in the industry as well. So the mining industry, whilst hadn't taken that approach, has certainly been very, very smart, some of the technologies it's developed. So we took that base and looked at, well, how could we do this differently? How could we take an enterprise approach into that? We also learned a lot of lessons along the way. I'm not saying everything we've done, everything touches sort of turned to gold, but we set ourselves some really clear strategies. On the planning side, we wanted to have fundamentally a system that was standard across all mining methods and commodities, but also could actually be flexible enough to be applied for the different nuances of the different mining methods and commodities combinations that are out there. We wanted to have an enterprise backbone that things could plug into, and also to easily integrate data between our own products, let alone other systems out there. We wanted to make it easy if you're using our products, our competitors' products, our partners' products. Data should be able to seamlessly go in and interact in between it all. We really focused on production systems, but we also looked at one of the biggest impacts on production is maintenance. And it seemed sort of counterintuitive to us that production and maintenance weren't actually singing off the same song sheet. So making sure those systems were actually in play together. Bringing it back in so that production, you can run a production plan, you can simulate it and really simulate it, make sure that it was viable, look at the economics of it, not just the physicals of it, and then align all your horizons and plan your execution and have seamless integration into the execution systems, and also bring those actuals back in, learn, readjust, calibrate, and be able to readjust your plan and bring more predictability into the plan, right down to the guys into shift who can actually make small course corrections that can actually preserve the value and execute on the value as you're actually rolling through. That's been a big focus for us. So we started, like I said, about 2012 investing in that, and about $80 million later and 7 acquisitions later, I think we've got a really good suite of products right across from production scheduling, execution scheduling, actuals capture now, bringing actuals storage and bringing in now, as well as the financial side, the simulation side, and also the maintenance, lifecycle costing and optimization.
And you seem proud of what you guys have created, what you've done.
Yes, certainly. I think when we were back then, we had probably about 20-something odd developers, and now we've got over 100 odd developers in 3 development centres. So again, we've learned a lot of lessons along the way, but we've put a lot of structure and rigour into our development. We're putting out more releases than we've ever had in the past. So our clients are actually seeing a lot more value in the solutions we put out, but they're seeing rapid fire improvements in those releases as we actually put them out too. So it's fun to be part of, but it's also really great. I spend a lot of time out with our clients, and it's actually really great to actually see the results when the people are actually using our software to benefit their business.
Exciting times. Thanks for your time, mate. We'll see you next time for more of the Insight series. See you later.